I am allowed on the bus stop, as I've mentioned in my other videos. So I'm over this bus stop, making sure there's a safe distance between myself and the car in front, half a car's length. You should be able to see the tyres as well as the tarmac. Some of my learners ask me what's the reason behind it. There can be several reasons. The car in front, he might accidentally, and it can happen, go into reverse. You might think, how can that be possible? Or he might let go of the foot brake and he could be rolling back down. Or what you could do is you might accidentally press the gas pedal instead of the brake, and if you're too close, let's say you're a couple of inches away, bang, you've hit the car. So I'm just checking my mirrors here, middle right, moving to my right, making sure it's safe for me to move. The other reason is the car in front could break down. There could be engine failure, a number of reasons. And if you are so close to the car in front and there's 100 cars behind you or equally as close, you are all stuck. So make sure you leave enough distance. Yeah, check my mirrors, middle left, moving back into my left after the black car on my left, because we're going back to the test centre. When we go back to the test centre, we're going to follow the Sterling sign, the A73. You can see the sign on my left, the green background and yellow writing. It's the second left. The first left is the Mucklands Hospital, which you can see in the left there, just near the traffic light. So I'm not signalling because I'm taking the second left. The satellite navigation, once you go past this first left, I'm checking my mirrors, middle left, signaling left. The satellite navigation will say you're bearing to the left. Once I'm in the road, I'm off the signal because I'm not taking the next left turn. Just following the road ahead. Watching my speed, watching my distance between the car in front of me. So the lights on the 20 zone are not flashing, so it's not a 20 zone at the moment, so I can build up my speed. Do be vigilant with the road signs, making sure you see the road signs and are aware of the road signs, aware of the speed limits. I'm just easing off the gas here because I will be making a right turn. Not the first right, not this one, the next right turn. So I'm checking my mirrors, middle right, signaling right, and I'm preparing my car to make this right turn when it's safe. So he's flashed at me. Make sure you see the flash. Make sure you see the hand gestures. This is where we park up on the left, so I'm just checking on the right hand side, making sure it's safe. I'm signaling to the left. You could be parking up in between the bays. They might say to you, park up in between the bays, don't worry if you're over the white line, or you could park up behind this black car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to park up in between the bays. Sometimes they say just park up, don't worry if you're over the white line, but I'm actually going to park up in between the two bays. And we're going to come to a complete stop here. Examiner will tell you to secure the car, which I'm going to do, and it'll tell you to switch off the engine.